The system I'm going to talk to you about is the P900. So it's slightly different because it's designed by two companies. The first company is Porsche Design Team, the same people that design car, Porsche, and then LD Systems, which is one of our brands. So it's a collaboration between two great companies, and it's to get the elegance of the Porsche with the design and the look, and then the technology from the LD Systems for the sound and the audio. So it's the only one on the market that's been done that way. Realistically, it's aimed at a large genre of type of people. It could be aimed at your luxury homes and your luxury hotels, and people that just want something that looks different to a normal box type PA system. But then it's ideal for people that rent as well, so they can rent it out to corporate events, and then even DJs who maybe want something to look a bit different to the standard boxes again. So it's a good system and a good variety of people there. There's 3 different colours available. It's a cocoon white, it's a graphite black, and a platinum grey. So a lot of people do a black and a white system, but we do a grey system just to give it a difference on the market there. If you look at the technical spec on the products, you've got 1400 watts RMS, it's a 140 degree by 15 degree dispersion on there, 131 dB output. You've got your wireless link, so you can link 2 together wirelessly, so there's no need for cables, and that's up to 40 meters away in distance from each other. It's got Bluetooth on there, so you can walk 70 meters away from the item with your Bluetooth. It's a aptX Bluetooth and AAC codecs, so it's also updatable using the Bluetooth. That makes it easy to keep it up to date. You've got your XLR inputs on the back and XLR outputs. This product, I'd say, is really unique. It's because of its design and its look, plus its sound. It's got great sound quality. It's the only one that looks like that on the market. So it applies to many different areas that normal systems wouldn't apply to. And realistically, I think it's useful for any kind of profession. So ideally, come and try one out if you've got a chance to see one at your local store.